Speaking Academy made me feel humbled,
inspired,
motivated,
energized,
empowered.
We are going to make you, but amplified, truly heard, truly understood, and having your desired impact on the world. We consider public speaking a bigger fear than death. True story. We fear ridicule more than we fear dying. So I understand actually it takes a lot to be able to stand up and talk in any capacity. Essentially in life, we all want to be understood, we all want to be heard, and actually the Speaking Academy gives you a great place to be heard in a very safe, non-judgmental, but also a very fun way too.
You come out just empowered, and the confidence is your own ability to get up and stand up and say something.
There's no pressure on you. If you can't quite make it through one of the tasks, nobody gets funny with you.
It's that self-confidence, hearing people's feedback in a really supportive environment.
I guarantee that you will be welcomed into a very safe, very trusted and non-judgmental environment. You will have fun, you will learn loads, you will be truly inspired by not only our trainers and myself, but also our guest speakers and also the other attendees that are there from all walks of life, from all over the place. If you are sitting on the fence about booking into one of the Speaking Academy sessions, all I can say is this: say yes and worry about it later.